Hello, today we will guide you through how to add people on Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet in your web browser. Once the site loads, you'll be at the main Google Meet landing page where you can choose whether to join an existing meeting or start a new one. If you already have a meeting link, you can join from there. But in this walkthrough, we'll focus on starting an instant meeting so you can quickly invite others in. After you start the meeting, Google Meet will open the meeting room and display the main call screen. At this point, you're ready to add participants. In many cases, a pop-up appears shortly after the meeting begins. If you see that pop-up, look for the option that says Add Others and click it. This is one of the fastest ways to invite people right after launching your meeting. If that pop-up doesn't appear, don't worry. Google Meet gives you more than one place to find the same feature. You can also look toward the side area of the meeting window near your profile section. Depending on your screen size or the version of the interface you're seeing, the invite option may be placed there instead. This is helpful to know because the layout can shift slightly from one device or browser window to another. Another common place to find the option is along the bottom part of the screen, where you'll see the people icon. Clicking that icon will open the participant panel, and from there, you can continue adding people to the meeting. If you ever can't find the invite prompt immediately, checking the people section is usually a reliable next step. As you go through this process, keep in mind that Google Meet's layout may look a little different depending on whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or another device. The names and icons are usually very similar, even if their exact location changes slightly. So if one option isn't visible right away, simply check the side panel or the bottom toolbar. And that's how to add people on Google Meet. Start by opening Google Meet, launch or join a meeting, and then use the Add Others option, your profile side panel, or the people icon at the bottom of the screen to bring participants in. With these simple locations in mind, inviting others becomes quick and easy.